Good morning everyone! So, eto na tayo. Medyo mahaba-haba rin pinagsamahan natin for the past couple of months. Okay? So, nandito na tayo ngayon for the final coaching. Before anything else guys, I just want to congratulate everyone. Of course, and especially for those who did their best hanggang dulo. Hindi sumuko, okay? With regards to sa pag-aaral, and all, hindi lang sa subject ko, hindi pati na rin sa ibang subjects. Congratulations because you made it, okay? Alam nyo guys, siguro iniisip nyo na, bakit sinasabi ni sir na you made it, hindi pa naman tayo tapos, wala pa yung grades, wala pa yung, hindi pa tapos yung CFE and all, hindi pa natin alam kung pasado tayo. Pero bakit ba sinasabi ni sir na congratulations? It is because guys, it is a skill, okay? Na lumaban kahit na gaano kahirap. Okay? And yun yung natutunan ko for the first month. I mean, hindi naman. For the first SEM. Okay? For the first SEM na nagturo ako. Diba nga sinabi ko sa inyo nung una, hindi ko naman na-picture yung sarili ko talaga before na nagtuturo. Although I want to teach, hindi ko siya na-picture as ano. Pero, if you're going to ask me guys, I'm very inspired, especially sa mga tao na nakikita ko na nag-i-struggle and still nagsho-show up. Okay? So, I think, para sa iba, hindi naman ito panonoorin. I mean, baka hindi panoorin, ewan ko. But, before anything else, bago ko simulan yung lesson, kasi, ano ba yung purpose ko, why I'm saying this? Okay? Guys, para i-acknowledge nyo yung sarili nyo. Okay? Alam nyo ba na pag narinig ko na, sir, malakas si ganito talaga Palo, talagang masipag mag-aral, ganyan. Ala sir, mahina talaga ako sa math, mahina ako sa fundamentals, mahina ako sa ganito. Guys, if you're acknowledging your weakness, okay, might as well acknowledge your strengths. Okay? Kasi, sa totoo lang, I want to share something, okay? From elementary up to the high school. Okay. Although elementary kasi valedictorian ako noon. And then nung high school, syempre, if galing ako ng ng Saragosa, and then lilipat ako ng Cabanatuan, so medyo malaking culture difference yun. Medyo kumbaga based on paano ba? Kumbaga, lilipat ako from the barrio to the city. So, malaking expectations yung ginagawa or nangyayari sa akin. And alam nyo ba guys, that hindi ako naging consistently honor from first year up to the senior high because mahina ako sa math. For real. And parang sinasabi, and even in Zaragoza, parang sinasabi that yung family namin is sobrang hina talaga sa math. That's why walang nag-engineering. And I don't know paano nangyari, andito ako ngayon, engineer, at nagtuturo pa. Diba? So, what I mean by that is, siguro, i-acknowledge nyo lang, tama yan, i-acknowledge nyo na mahina kayo, but do something about it, okay? At hindi ko naman i-disregard, sir, ikaw yan, hindi ganun guys, okay? I-acknowledge nyo din na valid lahat ng sinasabi nyo, lahat ng nararamdaman nyo. But make sure guys, na you will help yourself. You will help yourselves. Tulungan nyo yung sarili nyo kung paano nyo ba maka-counter yung frustration na nararamdaman nyo. Kasi at the end of the day, sino ba ang kasama nyo sa pagtulog? Kayo lang din naman. What I mean by that is at the end of the day, sarili nyo lang din yung kasama nyo. Okay? Parang dalawang tao tayo sa iisang katawan. So tulungan nyo lagi yung sarili nyo. Ikaw at yung sarili mo is dapat nagkakasundo. Okay? Huwag mo siya sinasabi, sir, mahina ako sa ganyan. So, parang pino-point out mo na mahina yung sarili mo, and at the end of the day, nagkakaroon kayo ng conflict hanggang sa wala na kayong magawa. Okay? So, ayun lang siguro. And what I want you to read is ito lang naman. Okay? Ito kasi personal principle ko in life. Okay? In everything you do, naalala nyo to, for the first orientation natin, ito agad yung sinabi ko sa inyo, in everything you do, it's a 0 versus 100. Okay? What I mean by that is give your best shot in everything you want and need to accomplish. Kung i-highlight natin yan, give your best shot in anything you want. Lahat ng gusto mong gawin at lahat ng kailangan mong gawin. Sir, hindi ko naman gusto yung ganito eh. Pero kailangan mong gawin. Okay? And that's adulthood. Okay? Learning to embrace everything. Na hindi lahat ng gagawin mo is nakaayon sa kung ano lang yung gusto mo. Okay? There are things in this life na kailangan mong gawin kasi kailangan. Okay? Give your best shot in everything you want and need to do. Kahit na yung mga bagay na hindi mo gustong gawin. Okay? And then lock in, go all out, give your 100. If you're going to send mere half, just don't do it at all. Kaya nga di ba sinabi, it's a 0 versus 100. Kung may gagawin kang isang bagay, you decide. Should I give 100% or wag ko nang gawin at all? Kasi kung magbibigay ka lang or bibigay mo lang yung 50% of your effort, okay, huwag ka mag-expect ng magandang result. And ayun lang, siguro ganun din ginagawa ko na in everything you do, in everything I do, kung meron akong kailangan gawin, bibigay ko yung 100% effort dun, okay? Even if it means na outside of my comfort zone, or hindi na lang talaga. Kasi kung magbibigay lang ako ng 50% effort, okay, it's useless. At bandang huli, basahin natin yung pinaka-last, nothing feels worse than looking back and regretting not giving your best when you had a chance. Okay? Kasi kung binigay mo lang 50% ng effort mo, pagdating ng huli guys, mas masakit yung pagsisisi na iniisip mong bakit hindi ko nilang binigay lahat. Okay? Pagdating ng dulo, mas okay pa yung mararamdaman ng pumili ng 0 kaysa sa pumili ng 50. And guys, you always have the choice. Okay? So I think, yun lang. And before tayo mag-start ng lessons guys, please, I wish na sana, and I pray, na sana lahat na nagsusumikap, nagpapakahirap, at ginagawa ang lahat ng makakaya nila ay tumagos. Bakit? Ito yung sinasabi ko. Okay? Kasi may ilang tao na hindi pa rin natututunan na gawin yung best nila sa paggawa ng mga bagay na kailangan nilang gawin. Okay? So, this is so emotional and hindi din ako sanay. Okay? Gusto ko lagi kayong binabalagbag. Okay? But I hope this will mean to people na ginagawa talaga yung best nila. And ayun, sana magkita-kita tayo ulit for the next semesters na magtuturo ako, but not in dynamics. Okay? So, yun lang guys. And this weekend, please give your best. Mag-review ng mabuti. Lubayan muna lahat ng mga ibang kailangan gawin. Okay guys? Lahat ng mga kagenggengan or anong mga kakulan sa isip nyo na naiisip nyo gawin ngayon, wag muna. Okay? You have next week for that. Give your best.